Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create thumbnails or posters in Samsung Gallery. So Samsung Gallery allows you to create stylish thumbnails, posters, or even collages directly from your photos. So you can combine multiple images, adjust layouts, add text, and even add background colors, all without downloading any external apps. So let me show you how to do this. So here is an example. I'm going ahead and creating a YouTube thumbnail. So I have this image, which I've already downloaded from the internet. So this is the YouTube thumbnail resolution. So now I have a few things which I want to add onto that thumbnail. So I want to add a phone. I want to add the subscribe button here, and I want to add this text here. So I've downloaded all this from the internet. So first we'll go ahead and bring the subscribe button. So we'll go ahead and open the subscribe button, long press on it. Then we'll tap on copy, and now we'll go ahead and go back to our thumbnail. Let's go ahead and paste it here. There you go. So now we can go ahead and move it anywhere we like. So let's just put it here. Now let's go ahead and save this for now. Now I want to go ahead and add the phone. So I'll go ahead and pick up the phone, copy that, and then let's paste it here. And now we can go ahead and paste this, increase the size. Now we'll save that as well. Keep current resolution. Now we're going to go ahead and take this entire image, and we're going to go ahead and set it on our image here. So we can go ahead and paste it here, paste. And as you can see, it's now pasted. So now we can go ahead and increase the size. You can go ahead and play around with your graphics wherever you like. If you want to add more stuff to it, you can go ahead and add as well. And now like this, we've basically created a thumbnail. So this is perfect for creating posters, YouTube thumbnails, or social media posts. You can easily personalize layouts with different fonts, colors, and stickers. So the built-in editing tool are optimized for gallery devices, meaning smooth performance and quick saves. So this is great for people who want professional looking visuals without using Photoshop or Canva. So there you go guys, that is how to create thumbnails or posters in Samsung Gallery.